The real secret unleashed. This is the truth about manifesting money that no one tells you. The number one law of attraction technique to manifest money. No one talks about this. And it changed my entire life. I went from not being able to pay my rent, being worried when I'd go swipe my debit card at a grocery store, and my now wife, girlfriend at the time, was in debt because of all of this, to living my dream life. And I want to share with you how you can use this to manifest money in your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I'm wishing you an absolutely fantastic day. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and my success hypnosis to retrain your subconscious is right there down below. JakesHypnosis.com. It's for free right there down below. Let's dive right into this video. Okay, so this is a video I almost didn't want to make, and the reason I didn't want to make it is because I'm not sure how people are going to react to it. And the reason that you probably don't have money is because you're desperate. Now, understand what I'm saying here. If you're desperate for it, you're not going to manifest it. Why? Because law of attraction says that like energy attracts like energy. What is money? Money is just energy. What is anything in this physical world? This physical world isn't even physical, it's just energy. And what are your thoughts? Your thoughts are non-physical energy. You can't see your thoughts, but they're energy that's vibrating outside of the speed of light that your eyes can perceive. It's still energy. And when you desperately need money, what energy are you in? You're in an energy of lack. And what does lack create? More lack. You make the wrong decision to go into business with the wrong person because you're desperate and hoping that you can make money. You do things that you wouldn't normally do, and you think ways that aren't positive and abundant. And so you attract situations and experiences. You bring someone into your experience that rips you off. That's what happened to me. I was trying to get my career going, and I'd been desperate for so long. And I met someone that I became infatuated with. They were extremely successful on the college speaking circuit, had done millions of dollars in the college speaking circuit over their career. And I was desperate. And so I decided to work with this person as my mentor. And I was spending money that I didn't have. And they ended up ripping me off. And it was a really tough lesson to learn because I didn't have any money. So by the time they had ripped me off, I had no money left and I didn't have any direction. I didn't learn anything from them that could help me. And that was tough because I was living with my now wife at the time. She didn't have any money. It became even more difficult and stressful just to pay my rent. And I realized that I was desperately seeking it. And that was what was blocking it. And I had to shift my whole focus to be like, I'm a badass mother, that money wants me. I don't need it, it wants me. And so comment down below, money wants me. Money wants me. And what changed my life is I finally listened to a seminar by this guy named Bob Proctor. And in that seminar, he started talking about how money is useless unless you use it. Money is an energy just like everything else, and it's useless unless it has you. I always thought it was the other way around. And then I realized that and I was like, man, my thoughts about it are actually blocking it. And so I created a success hypnosis to start retraining my mind to be in an energy of abundance rather than an energy of lack. And it's right there down below. It's free to use. Go ahead and download that. It's JakesHypnosis.com right there down below, JakesHypnosis.com. And so get this, understand this. Money is useless unless it's used. Money is useless unless it's used. Money is useless unless it's used. Unless you're using money, it's useless. So money wants you. Money has a spiritual mission, just like you have a spiritual mission. Everything has a spiritual mission. What is money's spiritual mission? To circulate. Unconditionally circulate. So if it's just sitting in a vibrational holding pattern, not being used, it's worthless. So it needs you more than you need it. And when you have that shift, you go from desperation to confidence. You go from lack and scarcity and willing to, I said yes to a poor a mentorship situation because I was desperate. I was like, I had these, this person's so successful. I didn't look at their character. I didn't look at their integrity. I didn't look at anything. I was just like, I really need it. And it brought me to a bad situation. A lot of people do it with investments. They give their money to scams, and people run off with tens of millions of dollars. They do it with businesses that are like, get rich in 10 days with this business system, and they invest, $50,000 into some business system, and the person runs off with their money. Or they work with clients and customers they don't really want to work with because they need the money, and then it creates more headache. Or they're just in a place where they desperately need it all the time, and they're always thinking about the fact that they do not have it. And everything is two things. Specifically, money is two things. It's the presence of it or the absence of it. So if your mind is focused on lack and the fact that you do not have it, you're focused on the absence of money. And when you're focused on the absence of money, you can only attract situations that match that, because your consciousness is what creates reality. And if your consciousness is in an energy of lack, then you can only attract situations that match that. And it starts to make a lot of sense. It explains why for so many years I worked so hard, but I didn't have any money. I worked so hard all the time to try to change my life, and it wasn't working. Why? Because my mind was in the wrong place. It doesn't mean that you can work as hard as you want, but if your mind is in the wrong place, consciousness is what creates reality, not hard work. A lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people watch this video and say, that's BS. Science shows us consciousness creates reality. Science doesn't say hard work creates reality. Science says consciousness creates reality. So your consciousness is either in abundance or it's in scarcity. It's either in need and desperation or it's in abundance. And a lot of that comes from self-image. And what I'm inviting you to do is start seeing yourself as worthy of having money. You might think you're limited in some way. Well, I don't have the right education. Well, I don't have the right resources. Well, I'm not that intelligent. I'm not very good with numbers. I'm not a good reader. I'm not very literate. I'm not this. I'm too old. I'm too young. I'm a little overweight. I have this problem. My teeth are crooked. It's okay. I got a crooked teeth too. It's all good. I'm just joking. But seriously, understand money needs you. It has to have you. Otherwise, it's totally worthless. Start saying, I'm a badass mother that attracts fantastic success. I'm a badass mother that attracts fantastic success. I'm a badass mofo that attracts fantastic success. I'm an amazing, incredible human being that attracts wondrous wealth into my life. I'm a wonderful human being that attracts fantastic success. Every day my success multiplies and grows. As you start saying these things and you listen to my success hypnosis right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, your self-image starts to change. You go from viewing yourself as not good enough or smart enough or worthy of money to, man, I can do this. I'm just as good as them. I'm just as smart as them. I'm just as capable as this person. I can do it. That's what happened to me. I shifted from thinking that all these people in my industry were so much smarter than me and better than me, and they went to college and they did all these things, to viewing myself as like, I could do it too. And when that shift starts to happen, that's when the money starts to flow, because money is a byproduct of consciousness. And if consciousness is in abundance and starting to believe that you're good enough, and starting to believe that you're worthy enough, and starting to believe that you're smart enough, then you attract it. In the Bible, it says it another way. It says that to those that have more will be given. And to those that do not have, even that which they have will be taken away. What is that saying? When you're in the consciousness of abundance, you attract more of it. When you're in the consciousness of scarcity, you attract more scarcity. And even that which you have will be taken away, because you attract even greater levels of scarcity and limitation into your life. So here's what I'm inviting you to do. Start to close your eyes for a few minutes a day and start to see yourself as someone who has money. Recognize it needs you. Start saying, I love money because it comes to me when I call. Comment that down below. I love money because it comes to me when I call. Comment that down below. I love money because it comes to me when I call. You've got to start changing your consciousness from, oh, I don't have any and I really need it and I'm desperate for it, to I'm good enough for it. I'm deserving of it. It's on its way. There's more money printed every single day. I love it because it comes to me when I call. Money needs me more than I need it. It needs me because it's useless unless I am able to use it and circulate it in the economy. Then all of a sudden your mindset goes to like, I'm good enough. I'm smart enough. I'm a badass mofo that attracts fantastic success into my life. Comment down below, I attract fantastic financial success. Pick an affirmation, a financial affirmation. Perhaps listen to my success hypnosis and find your favorite one and then write it on a piece of paper and start carrying it with you. Use it as a prompt to start changing your consciousness. Every time you notice your mind slipping, go, I'm dropping into scarcity. I'm dropping into lack. Let me take a step back and say this again. I attract fantastic financial success. Money needs me. I love money because it comes to me when I call. I'm the master of money. I'm not its servant. I'm the master of it. And what happens is you start to change your consciousness and your energy shifts. As your energy shifts, you start to change the people, circumstances, and situations you're attracting into your life. I went from people ripping me off to people saying, please, can you help me? Like, can I work with you? It went from me going to other people and saying, please help me, to other people saying to me, please help me. And all of a sudden I could provide my services instead of going to people that ripped me off, getting stuck time after time, because I started to believe I was good enough and smart enough and capable and worthy as I am. I started to see that money needed me more than I needed it. So comment down below your favorite financial affirmation. Comment down below your favorite money affirmation right there down below. And every time you notice yourself in doubt, lack, scarcity, start to say, money is two things, the presence or the absence. Get your mind focused on the presence of it, not the absence of it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This is the real secret, the real truth that a lot of people don't want to hear. They're too desperate for it. It's the same thing in relationships. If you're too desperate for the person, they get repelled by you. They think it's gross and icky. Money is a consciousness, and if you're too desperate for it, it doesn't come to you. So comment down below, I love money, it comes to me when I call. Comment down below, I love money, it comes to me when I call. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com. It's free to use. Use that to start to retrain your subconscious mind to attract more financial success into your life. If you haven't yet, press like on this video to support this video and send it out to tons more people. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. Subscribe, bell notification. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. You're good enough, you're smart enough, and great things are on the way.